Do you want to create stunning images or edit images like a professional, but you lack design skills? Worry not. Google AI Studio is the answer. Google AI Studio is a powerful tool which is absolutely simple to use. And the best part is it is completely free of cost. You only need a Gmail account to get started. Stay in the video till the end where I'm going to show you a demonstration on how to use Google AI Studio to create and edit images. I am Vinod Vishwanathan and I'm going to show you how to use the Google AI Studio to create and edit images. So let's get started. Open a browser and in Google search for Google AI Studio. If you are already logged in the browser using your Gmail account, then it will directly log you in to the Google AI Studio. Otherwise, it will prompt you to enter your Gmail account to authenticate and log in to Google AI Studio. And here we have multiple things. And for today's video, we will consider create prompt option, which has multiple options to image editing, create a visual story, or to design a birthday card. And on the extreme right, we have options for different Gemini models. So Google AI Studio only allows you to use Google's Gemini models. Whatever is the latest model will be available here for you to try. You will not be able to try any third party or open source models using Google AI Studio. If you need to use any open source models or third party LLMs, then you need to use Google's Vertex AI, which is available in Google Cloud Platform. We will have a separate video about that. So, for today's video, let's focus on this model, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation model. Please mind that it is only experimental. It is not a production ready model at this point of time. So, it might give you wrong results. It might generate wrong images or might not edit it correctly. But still, you can try it with the right prompts. And if you provide it a right description, it will definitely generate a stunning image for you. So let's try something very simple to see how it works. So let's say give me an image of a man standing in a public park. Let's see what it does. Okay, so we have that. So let's try something else. Change the background to an office building. So here we go. Now this person looks more casual. Let's see if we can make him more formal. Make him wear a suit with a tie. I'm sure it will do a good job. Wonderful. Now, what is he doing in front of the office without a laptop, right? So he needs to have a laptop bag with him. Yeah, perfect. So he is having a laptop bag, and also we are able to see his laptop. So let's try another example where we are trying to edit a picture. So let me use one of my pictures here where I'm standing on a beach on a beautiful sunset. So, so let's try to remove the people and any objects in the background. And let's see whether it is able to do that. I'm sure it will be able to, but because it is an experimental model, we have to keep our fingers crossed. So let's see what it does. Pretty much good. I still see some people and objects. Please remove the same. Let's see whether the please works. and and yes, so it is able to do the trick. There are many such use cases which we can try with this image generation model. The applications are endless. It could be used for retail where people are trying clothes just on top of their image. People can try jewelries on top of it. People can put their images in different holiday destinations. So you whatever you could think of, you would be able to achieve it. The only thing is make sure to provide it a right description which LLM can understand and generate it for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any feedback or suggestions, let me know in the comment below. Also, let me know what new things you are trying with this image generation model. Subscribe to the channel for more such AI content. Thank you for watching and keep learning AI.